Today, 11 years to the tsunami in Japan, the earthquake. It was atomic meltdown, and it was an Adar, the month we are now. Unbelievable. So, this is really from a segment on the Bible Code by Marzuli, who interviews Glazerson. So you can see here now so clearly this phenomena of earthquake in Japan. You have here black. So let us see now what really Marzuli explains about it.
Include Japan, earthquake, including the words atomic meltdown. This table had a probability factor of only 2.5 in 1 million. Gaddafi, in the table it relates, his presidency is fragile, will be killed. The correct Hebrew calendar year of 5772. It also states a scoundrel.
Let it be said that there are mysteries there that are just beyond human doing. You know, we can understand once they're showed to us, but to have done it,
yeah, hold it,
3,000 4,000 years ago, I mean, no.